Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council. Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council was formed in the year of 2014. So the vision of the THSC: create a robust industry aligned ecosystem by promoting hospitality and tourism sector skill development, benefiting millions in India to get respectable employment opportunities for serving customers and other stakeholders. Mission: contribute to the development of over 3.3 million industry competent workforce by 2022 through establishment of national occupational standards, labor market information system, accreditation of training partners or vocational institutions, certification of trainers and facilitation of learner assessment and certification. THSC covers the following subsectors: tourism, tour operators and agents, tourist transport, tourist destinations, hotels, rated as well as the branding, the boarding and lodging facilities, cruise liners, the hospitality services that are offered on all cruise ships, food services or restaurant, chain as well as independent, conventional, fast food, cafes, catering, bhojanalayas and dhabas, facilities management, hospitality related services in building, malls, office, corporate guest house and hospitals. The industry employers input: Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, occupational mapping, QP and NOS creation, LMIS creation, curriculum and content accreditation, training partner accreditation, train the trainer and certification, trainee assessment and certification, recognition of prior learning RPL, industry MOU and placement, then training partner education bodies, then trained and certified manpower, then industry placements. Key departments and personnel at THSC. Standards: Miss Jyoti Joshi, National Head Standards. Look after all matters concerning standard QP's NOS, QP rationalization, content development, curriculum mapping for Bachelors of Vocational Studies program in BVOC colleges, schools, NAPS curriculum, editor for THSC periodical Arohan. Training: Mr. Sudeep Chabra, National Head Training, looks after all the matters concerning training, training partner affiliation, center validation, train the trainer program, monitoring training in BVOC colleges, university, schools, state skill missions, PMKK, PMMKK, COE, standalone IISC and all initiatives related to training. Responsible for matters related to affiliation, batch upload on SDMS Smart, quality assurance and excellence in training. Assessment and certification: Miss Swati Sharma, National Head Assessments, looks after all matters concerning assessment, reassessment, certification, training of assessors, PMKVY RPL proposal implementation completions. Responsible for quality assurance in assessment. Industry engagement and placements: Miss Monica Narang, Assistant GM Industry Engagement, looks after all the matters concerning industry alignment, placements, the digital placement portal, NAPS marketing collaterals, designing website, job mailers, RTI. Branding and outreach: Mr. Vivek Sagar, Head Business Development, looks after all the matter concerning competitions, events, social media engagement, exhibitions, print media management, PR. Finance team: Mr. Nishant Sharma, Manager Finance, looks after all matters concerning finance, payments, invoicing, budgeting, vendor rate finalizations, banking and statutory compliances.